Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And as you can see from my background, I am here at Rite, and we have a terrific deal going on with the coupon. Spend 50, get $10 off, and you can use that coupon over and over and over again. You can either print it out off the website, you can get it off of the app, or you can use the one that was sent to you in the mail, or you could just show a screenshot of the one that I'm going to put up a little later in the video. But in the meantime, I need you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, plus click the bell. That way you get notified anytime I put up any new videos. Get your screenshots ready, get your paper and your pencils, because we're going to do a whole bunch of deals, because we have to get to that $50 so that we can get our $10 off. So guys, let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so the first deal we're going to do is on some Shea Moisture. Now this deal can be done with Shea Moisture, Suave products. There's a couple different brands that are included. I'm going to do the deal 2 times because that's the max. You can do it 2 times. I'm going to do one with the Shea Moisture and one with the Suave body wash. So I'm going to grab these here Shea Moisture packs, mask for your hair, and this is the deal. They're buy one get one 50% off. When you buy 2, you get $2 in bonus cash, and this is a weekly deal, and you can do it 2 times. So they have the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil mask, and then they also have the Manuka honey and Manufa oil. I like the Jamaica Black Castor Oil, so I'm going to grab 2 of those. So the first one I'm going to pay $3.79 for. The first one's going to, the first one's going to be $3.49, and the second one's going to be half price. So that's going to be like, if you just round it up to $3.50, if you divide $3.50 by 2, that's like $1.75, and you add those together, it's like $5.20. But I have this coupon that I'm going to use, which is $5 off 2 Shea Moisture products, and this just came out this week, yesterday. So that means that I'm going to pay 29 cents for these at the register. But then remember, I'm getting back that $2 in bonus cash, so this is really like a money maker for me. So let's move on and let's go get some of the body wash. Now guys, as you can see, some of the other Shea Moisture hair products and body wash and all of that is also included in the deal, but I always go with the cheapy, and I get stuff that I actually use. So that is why I went that route. So I'm looking for the body wash. Okay, and you can also get the Suave shampoo and conditioner, but I'm going to get the body wash. So the body wash, as you can see, is part of the same deal, buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 in bonus cash. So like I said, you could do the limit of the deals 2 times, so I'm maxing it out by getting 2 of the Shea Moistures, and I'm going to get 2 of the body wash. So the first body wash is $2.49, and then the second one I'm going to get half off, which will be like $1.25. So when you add that up, that's like $3.75. Now if you look in this same Super Saver insert, that's where I got the Shea Moisture coupon, and this is where I also am getting the Suave body wash coupon. So when we add the 2 body washes up, it's like $3.75 minus the coupon will be $2.75 that we're going to pay at the register. But then we're going to get back $2 in bonus cash. So that'd be like paying 75 cents for 2 body washes. So I'm going to grab these 2, put them in the cart, and we're going to move on to our next deal, because remember, we have to get to a total of $50. All right, so another deal we're going to do is on the Russell, it's Russell, not Russer, Russell Stouffer's candies. And as you can see, they're 2 for $1, and there's all different kinds you could choose from: coconut cream, marshmallow, caramel. vanilla and cream, dark chocolate and vanilla. I mean, there's like a million different kinds. I'm actually looking for the peanut butter kind. That's the kind that my mom likes, but maybe they're sold out. But they're 2 for $1, guys. And then when you buy 2, you get $1 bonus cash. Well, I guess they don't have her kind, so I'll get the kind that I like. I'm gonna get the, oh no, not the coconut. Oh no, oh no. Here they are, the caramel eggs. Okay, they're 2 for $1, and you get $1 bonus cash back. Oh guys, I found the peanut butter eggs, so I got those for her. So I'm going to spend $1 and I'm going to get $1 back. I don't know why this isn't tagged, but they are 2 for $1 and get $1 back in bonus cash. So our next deal, guys, is going to be on the Airwick refills. They are $6.99 and they're buy one get one 50% off. When you spend $15, you're going to get $3 back in bonus cash, and you can do this deal. Hold on. You could do this deal 2 times, okay? So, when you buy one, it's going to be $6.99. Just say $7. Then the second one's going to be half price at $3.50. So that's like getting 2 for $10.50. Then, if you go to coupons.com, you can print this coupon off and get $6.50 off. So then that means you'll be paying $3 for 2. I'm going to get a total of 4 because I want to get to the $15 so I can get to $3 bonus cash, but I have 2 of these coupons. So basically, that's going to be $10.50 times 2, so that'll be $21 minus 2 of these coupons, which comes to $13, which leaves us at $8. And then I'm going to subtract the $3 in bonus cash. So that means I'm going to get 4 of these for $5. So that's like paying for 1 almost and then getting the other 3 free. So I'm going to grab these 2 and these 2. We're almost at our $50. Okay, so the last item that we're going to grab, the last deal we're going to do is on the Summer's Eve. And not all Summer's Eve products, as you can see, that one's not tagged, but this one and this one is, that one isn't. But on select Summer's Eve products, when you buy 2, you get $8 in bonus cash. I don't know why my camera's fuzzed up. When you buy 2, you get $8 in bonus cash, and you can do this deal 2 times, okay? So there are some wipes that are part of the deal that I'm sold out of them, so I can't even show them to you guys. But I think the wipes are like some other wipes. They're like $5 and some. You can get those, but they're sold out, so I can't even show them to you. But I'm going to get these wipes that are $5.99. Or you can get the Summer's Eve spray. Those are included. So, and as well as the sensitive cleansing wash. So it depends on what you want to do. You do what's best for you, but when you buy 2, you get $8 back in bonus cash. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get 2 packs of the wipes, which are $5.99 a piece. I'm going to get these 2 packs of wipes, and then I'm going to get 2 of the sprays, okay? And those are $5.29. So when you add all of that up, that's 6 and 6 is 12 for the wipes, and then say $10.60 for the sprays. So 12 and 10 is $22.60 for the sprays, but then we're going to get back $16 in bonus cash. So that'd be like $6. So we should be at our $50 now. So let's go over everything that's in our cart that we're going to get. And I think I'm going to throw in this scope too. This is on clearance. This is going to come to $1. It's $3.99, but it's 75% off. Okay, so this is everything in our transaction that we're going to get today. We're going to get the 2 Suave body washes, the Scope, which is on clearance, the 4 Airwick refills, the 2 Summer's Eve sprays, the 2 Summer's Eve body feminine whites, the 2 Russell Stovers, and then the 2 Shea Moisture masks. Now our total is going to be a little over $50, but that's okay because it's still going to turn out to be a great haul. And remember, this $50 purchase, we're going to get an extra $10 off because we're going to use the 10 off of 50 coupon, which I put up on the screen. You could take a screenshot of that and you can use it over and over and over again. So let's head up to the register and I will come back and show you guys my total. Okay guys, so I'm back in the car and I just wanted to go over the receipt with you guys. This was an amazing haul, just like I told you it would be. So let's go over the receipt. You see I got the 2 Summer's Eve sprays. They were $5.29. The 2 Summer's Eve wipes, which were $5.99 each. Then I added in the Crest, which was on clearance for 99 cents. Then I had the Shea Moisture packet, which was $3.49. You see the $5 coupon came off that one, but it actually comes off both of them because there's the second one that I got for half price for $1.74. Then there's the Suave body wash for $2.49. The dollar coupon for 2 came off of the one. There's the half price one for $1.24. There's the Airwick for $6.99. And this is where I goofed up, guys, but I'm gonna show you how everything worked out for me. So the Airwicks were buy one, get one half off. So the first one was $6.99. Then the second one was $3.49. The $10 wellness coupon came off of there. Then you see the other Airwick for $6.99, and then the other ones for half price for $3.49. Then the 2 Russell Stofers candies for 50 cents each because they were 2 for $1. And then here's my coupons that I used: the $1 off of the Suave body wash and the $5 off of the Shea Moisture. So my total was $38.47. Now let me show you this receipt. I forgot to give her my Airwick coupons. So after the transaction was all over, she did what you call a post coupon, and she just gave me the $13 back because that's what I would have saved because I had the 2 coupons for $6.50. So you can see that. So you're going to take $13 off of my total that I spent. So then that brings my total to $25.47. I got back a total of $24 in bonus cash. And let me show you how you can see my bonus cash that I got. So bonus cash rewarded. I got back bonus cash for the Shea Moisture, bonus cash for the Shea Moisture again. Well, Shea Moisture, Suave, and Smith's. So one was for the hair packets mask, and the other ones was for the body wash. So that's $2 for the Shea Moisture, $2 for the Suave. Then I got back $1 for the Russell Stofers. I got back $8 for the one set of Summer's Eve. Then $8 for the second set of Summer's Eve. And then you see that it says it's tracking for the Airwick. And I'm not sure. I think you could do the Airwick more than twice. It must be a monthly deal attached to it because it says it's tracking, but they did award me the Airwick right here. Okay, wellness bonus rewards have been rewarded for purchase of Airwick. Oh, I know why that has the Airwick, because the Airwick is spend $15 and get $3 in bonus cash, and I spent $21. So I got $3 for the Airwick. So when you add all of that up, that comes to $24 in bonus cash. Okay, guys, so let's do some math here. So remember, I didn't pay $38 because I got back to $13 for my Airwick coupon. So I paid $25.47. And I got back $24 in bonus cash. So then that takes my out-of-pocket to $1.47. But I also got 3,545 points. Now, I'm going to convert those points into bonus cash. When you convert 3,000 points into bonus cash. That gives you $6 in bonus cash. So if you look at that, then actually I only paid $4.53, excuse me, I actually made $4.53 off of this. This was a $4.53 moneymaker. So guys, if you like this video, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. If you plan on doing any of these deals, let me know which ones you're going to do. Or if you've already done them, let me know. And maybe it was something that I missed. And don't forget that there's no more silver or gold discount for Rite. You still get bonus cash. You still can use coupons. You can use the challenges. But then you also earn Rite points towards from your purchases that you can convert into bonus cash. So guys, don't forget to add those into your scenarios. So as always, I thank you guys for watching. And until the next time, keep on saving.